Sorry, didn't see you there. I was just enjoying my nice, cool, air-conditioned AirCrete house. One of the things that I love about AirCrete the most is how easy it is. We don't build our AirCrete with blocks and it take forever to build. We cast our whole building, wall at a time. We cast the whole thing. And that's one of the things that I love the most about it. So you come to our upcoming workshop and you'll get to see hands-on what we do. We build up our forms, we build up our forms to make the wall, and then we straight up pour the whole thing. Oh, did you notice this? You come to our workshop and you will learn hands-on experience, and we teach you how to build your own solar system, air conditioning, plumbing, electrical. We will teach you what you need to know. Now I know some people build their houses square, or that when they hear of AirCrete they think a dome. Oh, but what if I didn't want to live in a dome? Well, you don't have to. That's the thing about AirCrete. You can build it how you want it. You can cast it in a square or other ways, and you don't have to do a dome roofing, or you can build your own trusses, and you can build it like we are building this one. You come to our workshop and we will teach you how to build these trusses just like this, how to make sure that your house is structurally sound, safe, and strong and sturdy and good and stable. Now I know a lot of people have heard about AirCrete a lot, and they're kind of like, well, what's it like living in a building? Or they've heard of other AirCrete workshops, but the only issue that I've had with other AirCrete workshops sometimes is that they don't fully teach you everything. They don't allow you to learn everything. But with our workshop, we will teach you everything that you need to know. So here we are in front of one of our AirCrete guest rooms, and here we are. As you can see, it has bright, beautiful colors, blue on the wall, and that's right, air conditioning. It is very cool in here, and it feels very roomy and lovely. And I have to say, I think this room is really beautiful. And if you would like to stay here, please, by all means, come, stay, learn from our workshops. I think this would be a very good experience, and I always personally myself enjoy sitting in this very room. And so far, everyone who has come out and stayed in this room has always told us that they loved it. It's been very nice, it's been peaceful, it's been cozy and comfortable. Yeah. I've heard a lot of things about AirCrete, and everyone who has come to our workshops has always said that they've left here with more experience than they have ever thought that they would have leaving. They have gathered the necessary materials. They have learned how to build a house, learned how to build their own trusses. They learned from plumbing, worm composting, gardening, learning your own business, as well as AirCrete and everything it takes to pour your own house, build the forms up, install air conditioning and heating. And they have left with all this knowledge and experience with them, feeling full, like they have finally learned everything that they need to know to build their own house confidently. So come out to our workshop. But don't wait, because time is running out, and there's only one opportunity for you to get a 10% discount on the workshop and staying in this very room.